Okay, welcome back. In the previous video we have completed our actions. Now in this video we are going to start our reducers because we are working on Redux side of our application. So go to your source folder, create another folder in here and name it reducers. Okay, close this file and go to your reducers and create a file and name it AppReducer.js. Like in actions, we have app actions, so we need to control our actions with our reducers. First we need to create an object here, const init state. Okay, first is loading and is false, and then is authenticating. Okay, and make it false, and auth status. Okay, and then request status null, and then theme default, and then create your arrow function export default. So the state is or init state. Okay, at first our loading is authenticating is false, auth status is null, request status also null, and theme is default. And then give it action and start your switch. Okay, this reducer is going to take and have a look on action dot type, the type of the action, and remove this break, and in here return your state. Okay, the first case is loading. Okay, so if we go inside actions and app actions, we have a type loading, make it in capital case. Okay, and save it, and then go back to your app reducer. So this reducer is going to check this action and close it first. Go in here and return state =, mean it will take all of the data inside state, loading, and action dot payload, and this payload is coming inside here. Okay, payload is in a bool value, true or false. And copy this case and paste another case in here. Okay, and this time go to auth, and we will follow this action. Okay, go in here and paste here. Okay, this reducer, and that action is going to be matched with this case, in other words the type of the action, and in here is authenticating. Okay, and then again copy this and paste in here. Okay, and in here type set request status. Okay, and then in here request status, copy this whole and then paste in here. Okay, and it is for set path status. Okay, so copy this and in here auth status. Okay, reducer is completed now. Okay, create semicolon here. Okay, save it and go to your reducers and create another file with auth reducer.js. Okay, we can go inside here and we can copy this. Okay, and go to auth reducer and paste it in here. And again we can go in here and auth actions, not AppReducers, and then go in here, copy all of that and paste inside here. So in auth reducers we do not have anything inside our object. Okay, because we can't give initial value every time for user or for admin. If you give it initial value for admin, it will always going to open admin panel in case of user as well. Or if you give it user as an initial value, then it will going to open the user every time. So we have to keep it empty. So we need only two cases in here. Remove other cases. Okay, so we do not have any value from state. Okay, and we can remove this as well. So we need to check our sign in success. Okay, in here what type of user we are currently dealing with, whether it is admin or user. So we can copy this and paste in here and paste in here, and the other one is sign out success. Okay, in sign out success we are not going to return anything. Okay, in sign in success we need to care about the ID action dot payload dot ID, and then role, whether it is admin or user. Action dot payload dot role, and then provider. Action dot payload dot provider, and we are going to look after reducer what is provider doing in our project. Okay, our reducer has been completed. Save it. Let's have a quick break and then we will be talking about our remaining reducers.